folks, it's Jenny Timmins here from Vitreus Art. Just bringing you a new little video so we can talk about our garden glass art panel. It's a round panel on this occasion, so we'll be starting off with a 30cm piece of clear glass. This is fusible glass, it's not normal window glass. It is fusible and can go into the kiln. So what we'll be doing is we will be creating a design, your own design, to go onto the garden panel using fusible glass. Now we've got lots of things that you can use. We've got little glass beads that are compatible with the clear glass, along with lots of different frits. I've just got one type here to show you at the moment. This is a coarse enamel, not enamel, emerald green frit is what I mean. And we've got lots of different grades of frits that you can use. We've even got some lovely murrini. Now these ones are like little candy canes. Now I don't know if you can see those very well on my hand there, but they do look quite lovely when using them on your garden glass art. Now the glass art workshops, it's an afternoon workshop. It runs from 1 to 5:30 and all the dates are on the website. But just so you can see what we do, as I said, we start with a clear piece of glass and we then decorate it. So this one here, I've made a tree of life. It's more sort of like 4 seasons, so starting with spring here, going to summer, autumn and then winter. And at the bottom, I've got some nice crushed clear glass and I've decorated it a little bit with some green sprigs of glass. And then I've used crushed browns and ambery colours through the tree trunk. Once we've made the piece and it's been fired in the kiln, it then goes into a metal frame, and I've got one here that I made earlier, just a little bit Blue Peter moment, and this is the one that I made earlier. Let me just get it in shot there for you. You can see that the framework is just a metal semicircular curve that goes around the bottom of the glass. The glass gets slotted in and then it's adhered in with a special silicone adhesive. And just so you can see the bottom of it, the bottom of the stake has 2 feet. These feet get pushed into the ground and then you can enjoy your piece of garden glass art. And these pieces can stay out all year. The classes are particularly popular in the spring and summertime, but we also run workshops during the winter months as well. So if you'd like to take a look at the website, have a look at all the details. We'll put the link in the email below this little video for you. And I hope you come along and enjoy a workshop with us one day. Many thanks. Speak to you soon. Bye.